What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl Totally Ty, and today we are doing another no-sew DIY. Look at that transformation. Stay tuned and watch and learn. First, you're going to start by laying your shirt flat down. Of course, you guys already know that. And then what I'm basically doing is cutting it in like half of a circle. Since the shirt I'm using already had Houston on it shaped out in that shape, I just cut the bottom half of that part off. Now I'm just folding it to make sure that it's going to be even on both sides of the shirt, and then I'm just going to cut the excess fabric off. And then what I'm going to do with the fabric that I do cut off here is I'm going to tie that into like a hair tie, because we're going to use that in the end of the video. Now you're going to want to fold the shirt in half, because we're going to go ahead and cut off the extra fabric.
Oh, this is my song.
What I'm basically doing here is measuring it to see how I want to cut it. I'm going to fold it in half so it can create a crease in it so I can know where to cut. Then I'm just going to fold it the other way so I can go ahead and start cutting it. If you're gonna lie, sis, I'm turning this part into a tube top, but I'm going to have to sew that, so yeah, it's going to be cute though. Now I'm just folding it to create a crease so I can unfold it and cut it again. And once I start cutting the shirt, I'm not cutting the whole thing. I'm kind of going to open it and cut just the top half of the shirt. Do not cut the whole shirt, sis. Make sure when you're doing this part that you have the fabric inside out. So boom, you're going to take the shirt, do what I'm doing, hold it together, take the little scrunchie that we created, tie it like twice, 3 times, however many times you need to tie it to make sure it's tight enough around your boobs. And then we're going to pull them and separate the 2 strings. Well, not even strings, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And basically flip it over the other way. It's going to create that little circle in the middle. I'm cutting off the excess fabric that I don't need, and basically just fitting it to my boob now. And that's basically about it.